In this recipe, we are preparing broiled fish. Broiled fish is a quick and easy way to prepare fish, and it often takes less than 5 minutes to broil. You can use fresh fish or frozen fish for this recipe. If you choose frozen fish, it will need a little extra time in the oven. You can also quickly defrost frozen fish by running it under cold water for a short period of time. Thin fillets defrost very quickly with this method. First, you want to add your oil. I'm using a little bit of olive oil, but canola oil also works really well. And I just want to coat both sides of it. And I have some taco seasoning here. This is a salt-free taco seasoning. You can find it in your spice aisle, but you can also make this really easily with a lot of the spices that you already have in your spice pantry. We're just going to cover it, pat it in a little bit. Today I've chosen tilapia, but any fish can be broiled. If you have a thicker piece of fish, you might want to cook it a little bit longer, but this piece of tilapia should take no more than 5 minutes. So now that I've got it nicely seasoned, I'm going to put it in the oven. My oven rack is about 6 inches from the top of the broiler, and check it after 4 minutes, but it might take 4 to 5 minutes. I've taken my fish out of the oven. It took about 4.5 minutes to cook. You can tell fish is done by if it flakes easily. If you have a thicker piece of fish, this recipe might take a little bit longer. Since I used taco seasoning on my fish today, I'm going to be making fish tacos. So I've shredded our broiled fish after it cooled a little bit, and I'm going to top it with some of my favorite taco toppings. I have some cabbage slaw. I also have some tomatoes. You can use whatever types of vegetables or condiments you like to finish with. I have a little bit of fat-free Greek yogurt, which is one of my favorite substitutions for sour cream. I'm going to top it with a little bit of cilantro, a squeeze of lime. If you like hot sauce, you can add a little bit of hot sauce, and your Taco Tuesday is ready to go in under 15 minutes.